What's up guys, good morning. Yesterday I did the whole video on the motorcycle horn. That was really a video just to get started, learn editing and whatnot. I learned a lot. But yeah, we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna do the roof rack install. Today's a much nicer day. So before I want to get started, I do want to get some rips around the neighborhood. Let's do that. Alright, I haven't started this bike up in a while. See, don't do this in flip-flops. We're gonna let that warm up. Here's the C250. I love this bike. But overall, the tank's in like awesome condition. Everything's super clean. Gonna get some morning rides around in the neighborhood. Get started. Draw my hat. All right, let's get started, shall we? So today I'm installing the Hooke Road roof rack. It looks like it's super good quality for what it is. I thought it was a straight bolt-on, but I'm probably gonna have to adjust some stuff to make it fit flush. That ain't a problem. $300 roof rack, easy. I got the boxes. So I did take a look at it last week, and that's when I found out I was gonna have to make some adjustments. I already separated all the bolts and whatnot, but it won't be anything too hard. Instructions, where are the instructions? So let's just start bolting those on. We're gonna have to get these out. Yuck. Yeah, let's start by cleaning that out. I think that's a frog. Get the other side, we'll clean that out. Other side. There we go. I'm going to have to bolt them on from here. You can see where the holes are. Goes in and back there. All right, let's clean that up and we'll start doing what we got to do. That's just why we do that. Oh, it's not frog, just seeds. Oh, I don't want to get this in the interior. We'll clean the other side. All right, so I'll show you what I was talking about making adjustments. I tried to mock this up, last week? So you got the holes right there. Pretty much goes right there. And it lines up perfectly until this washer. You try to put it on. The washer is too big. the washer's too big and it's making the bolt try to screw in sideways. So what I got to do is just grind off a little bit of the washer. So that is what I'm going to do. We'll get that lined up. The washer's right here. We're just going to grind off a little part so it fits in flush. All right, back. I'll grab it. See if it fits now. Oh, perfect. We're just gonna mop that up, just so I can still adjust it if I need to. Perfect. I mean, whatever I do to this side, doing to the other side. Pretty common sense. Whatever I do to this side, I do to the other side. So, smooth sailing from here now. There you go. That's going in nice. I can still move it. Sweet. All right, let's see what's next. Whatever I'm doing to this side, I'm just doing to the other side. Keep that in mind. All right, so I got both sides in. We're ready for the next step. So I'm gonna do the side rails now. So the side rails, this and this. How does it go on? All right, so I see there's, so this part goes forward. That's what I thought. This lip right here has to go in towards the truck. Alright, let's see what kind of bolts we need. Too many bolts, too many numbers. Okay, so two of these, one, or 2 times of each. Okay, 2 of these, and 2 of these. In reality, I'm gonna need 4. I'm confused. I have to put that right through here. I'm just confused if I have to do it on the top or the bottom, you know? The top or the bottom. Take a look. Let's see. So I'm gonna go with the top. It just makes more sense for me. That. That. For both. We're just gonna do it to drop the bolt. We're just gonna do it to this side now. Same thing there. Yeah, I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I was determined to make a video out of it because I've already done so many mods to my truck. I mean, not so many, but I've done quite a couple, and I should have taken the opportunity to make a video on those, but I just didn't. I'm probably gonna want to go back a bit. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. All right, and then I'm just gonna do the same to the other side. And I'm just making sure that everything I do right now, I'm just doing it hand tight, just in case when it comes to the end, I have to do any final adjustments, and then when everything's like put together, I'll tighten it all the way, just to make sure nothing gets warped or anything. Just good to keep in mind. All right, so now comes the front bar. The front bar is gonna be this one right here. All right, looks like right here. Making sure it's on the rag so I don't scratch it. I'm gonna make sure I tighten these ones up. I want to make sure I want to get these ones on tight. Starts pulling it in together, you know. Thing you want to do is just be careful so you don't strip these. I got a feeling they're pretty easy to strip. I'm just gonna make sure I got the nuts on the back tightened up, and we'll move on to the next step. Yeah, that took me longer than I expected. When I made sure everything was tight, I went ahead and already tightened these ones down. So next step I have to do is the bars that go across. That'll be a lot easier. Hopefully not easier said than done. Hopefully it's actually easy. But pretty much it's just bolting up. Same way, same steps. There's honestly no secret to it. So we got the first one on. I'm about to do the second one. There we go. Tighten it all the way. Pull it together. Same goes for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna be back when I got those done, and then I'm gonna be ready to put the back in. All right, so same thing. Bolt, lock nut, lock washer, whatever that's called, right through here with the nut. Just getting it hand tight. Other side. Tell you what, this is probably the easiest one. Tighten it. You want to tighten it crisscross just to be safe. All right, guys, we are done. Look at that. Definitely worth your money. I think it's pretty easy to install. I'm going to show you guys that in a second. Super sturdy. Look at that. Neat little bottle opener. Made by Hooke, actually. Just tells you how to put it on. I mean, it's simple. I didn't want to have to show you guys that because 2 little bolts. All right, so I'm super stoked I got that on today. Didn't take me that long. It took me longer than I expected just because of the video. But yeah, it's super easy. I did it by myself. It is hot. Yo, one thing, ready? Ready for this hat? If you're ever too hot, pull that. You got shade. Look at that. So dope. It is hot as out here today, dude. Honestly, I give this a rack. An 8 out of 10. I'll give it that, you know. Looks pretty good. It could look better for 300 bucks. Can't complain. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it. I'm so stoked I'm actually doing this now. And if you guys have any suggestions on what I should do next to my truck, comment down below, DM me on Instagram or whatever. I'm gonna leave the links down in the description for what I bought, the roof rack and the bottle opener, the Instagram. That's about it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it. Much love. Peace out, guys.
I can't believe